Alright, this is lesson C-L04. This is our unit on construction. This is the fourth one, so put your heading. The EQ, or the essential question, is how do we bisect an angle using constructions? Okay. The homework is C-HW04 to complete that handout, and you can see YouTube video C-L04 for help. The warm-up is to solve the following problem, and this is the construction we did in the last lesson, to bisect segment RS. So in order to bisect segment RS, we need to draw segment RS in. So, let's see, my ruler. Use a different ruler. Okay, so count down from this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. And I want you to draw a segment from 2 to 4 when you line up the 0 on the left margin from 2 to 4. And this is R and S. And then you can go ahead and bisect that segment. Now turn it over. Okay. We're doing construction 04, which is bisect an angle. So we're given an angle, alright? And our task is to bisect the given angle using constructions. So here's the directions. Step 1 is put the point of the compass on the vertex of the angle and make an arc that crosses both sides of the angle. Place the compass point on one of the points where the arc crossed the side of the angle and make an arc in the inside of the angle. And that's without changing the width of the compass. And the third step is to do the same thing from the other point where the arc crossed the side of the angle without changing the width of the compass again. Draw a line from the vertex through where the arcs you created in steps 2 and 3 intersect, and the result will be that you have bisected the given angle. So let's see how this works out. New sheet, put your heading, okay? This is page 2 out of 2, and the example is to bisect angle ABC. So we need to draw angle ABC. So go down to where the circle is, okay, this circle I'm talking about, and we'll start on that line. So line up your ruler so that the 0 is lined up on the left margin, and put a dot at the 2, and put a dot at the 4, and you can make a line going through that, go about an inch past, okay? Then from this dot I want you to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and make another dot. And make a line going through those two and make it go about an inch past. Okay, so we're bisecting this angle and we can label it ABC. A. Remember, the middle letter always has to be the vertex, so that's got to be B, and that's C then. Now, let's see how we do this. The directions say to place the compass point on the vertex, okay, and draw an arc that crosses both sides of the angle. There it is. Now notice I'm not changing the compass, right? Now it says to go to one of the points where the arc that I just drew crosses the side. So you see how it intersects the side right there? I'm not going to this circle here, I mean to the point. I'm going to here where the arc crossed the side. And it says draw an arc on the interior of the angle. So that's the inside of the angle. Then it says to go to the other point where the arc crossed the side and do the same thing without changing the width of the compass. Okay. Then it says to draw a line from the vertex through the point where those two arcs that you just drew cross. And that is your, and you're doing this part in pen, that is your bisecting line. Okay? So by doing that construction, you just took a big angle and cut it into two smaller equal angles. So if this big angle was 50, this is now 25, and this is now 25. Okay? So let's turn it over. You're going to do one on your own. You're going to bisect angle DEF. So let's draw angle DEF. So again, line up your 0 on the margin where the ruler is, where the circle is, on the left side of the margin here. And let's go from the 1, let's draw a line from 1 through to 5. Whoop, put an arrow on the end. And then from that arrow, let's count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And just put a very light point there. You're going to put your next arrow right up to that one. Alright, and this is D. Doesn't matter where the point is. You don't have to put the point in. E and F. Okay? So go ahead and bisect that, and then you're done with this lesson.